From a sociological perspective, most of us in this place consider ourselves middle class, or what E. Franklin Frazier called the black bourgeoisie. But the reality is that we all come from what we used to call the neighborhood. But things have fallen into such disarray today that we have dropped neighbor, and we have simply called the breeding ground for the beginning of most of us the hood. The reality this afternoon is that the hood is in trouble. The hood, if you will, lies in ruins. And the question that I pose before you today is, will you return to the ruins with that which God has now given you, with a determination to rebuild the walls that have been torn down, the walls of morality, the walls of ethics, the walls of social inclination, and the walls of strong mental and emotional stability?